Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will decide my third PCB design tutorial basics. Third video is the create a one project and making a 8 LED matrix using Arduino Uno. And this project making I will need it the some components, and this is a small breadboard and Arduino Uno and some LED 8 and jumper wires. Okay, next I will connect this LED light. And okay, let's see. Okay, now this is the finally done, and next I will put number wires, and the negative terminal is here, and see my black wire, and connect the one, and start doing the positive terminal, and each others jumper wires I will use. Next doing something. Next connecting the jumper wires and digital pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And almost done. And this one ground pin also connect ground, and after this connection I will upload this code in Arduino Uno. And next connecting Arduino Uno cable in laptop, and next upload this code properly. We'll see the result.
After complete this project, and I will design PCB for this project, and after this complete, and I will open this easy software and new project, and name is LED matrix, and save, and see your page here. And common library I will search Arduino Uno, and listen and search the footprint, and user contribute. You can find Arduino Uno shield R3, and place here, and mouse left button click here, and next your search LED light, and user contribute, and search footprint for a LED light, and this was the LED light here, and place button, and I need a 8 LED footprint and 8 tab footprint. And next I need this resistor, 230 ohm resistor, and such, and now user contribute here, and next scroll here, and 8 I need a 8 resistor. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now after this complete, and I need a connector for a power supply in a Arduino Uno. And now see the Arduino Uno connector here, and I will design a normally serial. You can easy your own design make. Okay, and next register design was complete, and after this is the wiring tool here, and wiring was start. Digital pin Arduino to connect register 1 pin, and 3 pin on connect. Also next register first pin. Now connect properly 8 register, digital pin 2 and 9 to connect properly. and you can easily left button click to the connect here dot, and also you can click right also exit button, also cancel exit button. And now the another pin register to connect LED positive terminal to easily connect. Okay, and I will doing the 8 pin LED properly. Okay, this is the very easy to connect to wiring, and after this was the complete the design and the LED negative terminal to connect ground. Also I will connect the series properly. Okay, while doing the series. And after this series was complete, and this connect to ground pin also. And this is the some Arduino Uno footprint problem, and I will next change the footprint properly and connecting the same digital pin 2 to 9 to properly connect. And after this complete, this connector ground and bean was the connect properly. Okay, connector positive pin connect bean and ground pin connect ground. And open the design, and now keep going. After save design circuit to PCB design, you can see your PCB board screen, and you can easily design properly. And I will complete this design part to part. This serial register and the LED light properly. You can design your own thought and own design. I recommendation, this is my third video or PCB design tutorial. You can any question in this query, and you can comment me personally this video section. I will reply you. And after almost their design was done, and next after this complete was done, and board size was size adjustment here. Okay, after board adjustment was complete, and next save button and auto root section and your own root you can. And this video I recommendation auto root section for beginner. And this is the auto root section, and run. You can see the result almost done, or root was complete. And next 3D view section, you can see your 3D view for the PCB. Your PCB almost done. Okay, this is a beautiful PCB design. And now I will do the 2D view. Next image view I'll show you. Okay, you can see your beautiful 2D view version complete. Okay, almost done. And I recommendation, this is the Gerber file was saved, and check DRC no. And after this design was complete, and I will save this Gerber file, and first check DRC almost no, and now Gerber file it's save. Okay, Gerber file was saved, and see your complete your project. Thank you.